Hi guys. Today we will explain about how to check Payoneer exchange rate. This is a simple task. So first, log in your account. And once you log in, you will be redirected to the home page of Payoneer. And after it, take a look on the left side of the computer screen. Here you will see a few options. And from these options, you have to tap on this option, withdraw and transfer. And from these options, you have to select this option, withdraw to bank. If you want to check the exchange rate, then you need to connect your bank account with your Payoneer. And after it, you can check the rate. My account is already connected. So that's why I am tapping on the option Withdraw to Bank, so I can check the exchange rate. Tap on Withdraw now and then click on Next. Here, I need to write my balance. My balance is in American dollars, so that's why I will select USD. And then I need to write amount. Just for example, I will write after writing. Here you can see the exchange rate, and it was the way by which you can check the exchange rate of Payoneer.